Hey everybody, we are making what is called peel a pound soup, and as you can see, that's what we've already added, and this is going to be added to it. That's chicken, and I'm going to switch places so I can get out of the way. And as you can see, it's green cabbage, bell pepper, celery stalks, medium-sized onion chopped, tomatoes, bouillon cubes, teaspoon celery seeds, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 2 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 or more quarts water, salt and pepper to taste, 2 cups diced cooked turkey or beef. This is the Farmers Almanac version, and so the idea, this is actually supposed to be such that this meal causes you to lose weight, but it's good for you at the same time. No calories, yet it takes calories to eat it, and look how good it is. Looks good. Look at this. Anyway, we're way not done, folks. Way not done. So that's we got some of the ingredients here, and cut up tomatoes, and I cut up the bell peppers, and made the turkey. That's my mom, and I'm visiting here, and so this is the end result in progress. End result in progress. I can't wait. Yeah. Well, there it is, this finished product, folks. And as you can see, it's piping hot. And yes, with turkey, which it calls for, and we did it in a different way slightly, but everyone has their variation. Ours also has 2 teaspoons of turmeric as well. So I cannot wait. This is a joint product because usually I either mom cooks or I take her to dinner, but she never lets me near the kitchen. But this time she did to help out. Thanks, Mom. And hey, this is a lot of fun cooking with you. High five.
I love my child.
I love you, Mom.